Hi everyone. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Today we'll discuss the next substitution technique, that is play fair substitution technique or cipher. So the two substitution techniques what we have discussed, there is a mono-alphabetic cipher and the first one was Caesar cipher. So both the same. Suppose in any method, it may be like a permutations or it may be like a p plus k modulo a is replaced by suppose m, then in the entire process we will use the same alphabet. For a we will use the same alphabet m. So due to this, in the Caesar cipher we may directly use the brute force attack because a number of keys available are small. Now to increase that, we have taken some permutations of the what do you call the total alphabets a to z. So the 26, so we'll get 26 factorial combination. So it is somewhat difficult compared to the Caesar cipher. Still, there is a possible attack if we know the plain text nature in this method also. And that's the reason there is one more method technique, which is play fair cipher. So in this, here it is a multiple letter encryption. So multiple letter means, so I cannot say A is replaced by M, but in the same message A may be replaced by another letter also, maybe some K, right? So that is multiple letter encryption cipher, which is play fair cipher. So here, what is the concept here is the diagrams in the sense of two letters. So we have to make two letters as a one pair in the plain text. So it will be looking like a single unit. So it is a single unit and it will be translated into some ciphertext, right? Using some concept. What is the concept? I'm going to explain. Is this clear? So multiple letter encryption cipher, that is what we have to see, and we have to take the two letter combination as a single unit in this cipher technique. Yes, is this clear? What is the play fair cipher? So multiple letter encryption cipher. So that is what is the multiple letters encryption means. In the same message, A replaced by M and A may be replaced by K, maybe another letter. But in the earlier two techniques, A will be replaced by a single letter only. It may be M or it may be K, depending on the key value. Is this clear? All of you respond. Multiple letter encryption or cipher technique. Shall we go proceed further? Now, so how we are going to do this operation? So it is based on the matrix format. This will be the 5 by 5 matrix of letters. So how this matrix is constructed, how the letters will be converted into different alphabets, etc. We need the steps or rules. So remember that we need to construct a 5 by 5 matrix as a table. Suppose please have a notebook and construct a 5 by 5 matrix and 5 rows. So this is the 5 by 5 matrix. Now how this will be filled is, please remember that first we have to fill with a security key. So this is important, security key. Yeah, 41. Any problem?
No, sir. By mistake, sir.
Right. So we have to start filling this 5 by 5 matrix. What is the reason is we will have the 26 letters, and 2 letters will be combined as a single letter. I will explain that one. So what is a security key? It's a random in the sense I can choose secret as a security key. You can choose some play fail as a security key, or we can use our name also. This is a security key, different, right? So we have to fill the first from left to right this secret key without repetition, right? Without repetition in the sense, so S is done, E is done, C is done, R is done, but E again is there. So we have to eliminate this. So see that carefully. Suppose I am using the secret. So S, E, C, R. Should I write E? No, I should write T. So once it is filled, up to this clear, the 5 by 5 matrix will be filled with the initial security key initially without any repetitions. Then write the remaining alphabets which are not there in the secret key again. That is, start from A. So A, B, C. Should I write? No, because C is already there. So eliminate that. So D, E. Should I write E? No, because already there. Write F, G, H. Now I, R, J will be in a single what do you call a square box. So I and J letters will be combinedly written in the square one box. So that's why 25 we can write it as 25 letters. Now after I and J, next K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. R is there. No, should not write. S is there. No. T is there. No. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now always remember the last box should be replaced with or written in the Z only. Right? Is it clear? Please tell me how can I write the or fill the 5 by 5 matrix. Secret key first without any repetition of the letters. Then alphabets which are already there in the secret key, we can eliminate them, and I or J will be replaced in the same box, or can be represented as a single letter. Is this clear? Please respond how to fill the 5 by 5 matrix, because you should do some examples. So please put it in the chat box. Is this clear? Can I go proceed or can I go further? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Inka, all of you, is this clear? Anyway, once we know the rules, you will get some more clarity. So this is one more example. The secret key or key here is monarchy. M-O-N-A-R-C-H-Y. This is the key. So initially he is written M-O-N-A-R-C-H-Y. This is the key is written. Then alphabets start from A. A is already there. Then eliminate A, then B. C is there, then D. E, F, G. H is there, so I or J as a single letter. Next K, L, M is there, N is there, O is there, P, Q, S, etc. We can fill this. See, the last one is replaced with a Z or ended with the Z letter. Now, how we can convert my plain text to ciphertext? That is what we have to convert into coded format. So ciphertext. So we need to follow some rules. Always remember in this. So in the plain text, make pairs. So we have to make pairs in the plain text because the concept was that one only. So here multiple letters means we have to treat diagrams. Diagrams means 2 letter combinations. So now see the rules. You'll get some. So I hope all these points are clear. Now these are the rules to convert a plain text to ciphertext. So first one is repeating plain text letters that are in the same pair are separated with a dummy variable x. Example, suppose hello. If I make a pair, HE one pair, LL one pair. Now see, in a single pair, these two fillers are repeated, right? So that's why we will replace with a dummy letter as X. So that means it will become HE one pair, LX one pair, LO another pair. Is this clear? So whenever there is a repetition of the letters in the pair, add a dummy letter in between them. Then LX will become one pair, LO will become this. We is going to the next pair. That's it. Is this clear? First point. So our secret key contains IRG. If secret, yeah, that is yeah, that we'll see in the examples. Good question. 42. If I contains, we can write as a J as a single. Okay. Anyway, we'll see in the examples. First point is clear. If the repetitions are there. Next one. Two plain text letters that fall in the same row in the matrix are replaced by the letter to the right with the first element of the row circularly following the last. Now observe carefully. Suppose H and B as a pair in the plain text. Suppose we'll see the example. Suppose these two as a single pair in the plain text, which are in the same row. Yes or no? Now, how can we replace the ciphertext is H is coming first. So after H, the next letter is Y. After B, next letter is D. Suppose D is the one, then we have to go to the C value. So that is what he's written. See. Two plain text letters that fall in the same row of the matrix are each replaced by the letter to the rightmost of that, with the first element of the row circularly following the last. Okay? Is this clear? Please tell me. Respond.
Can you explain it again?
So if the two letters which are the same, for each letter, the next right letter we should write. That's it. If there is a D, next letter is this. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So is this clear? The row format. If the two fellows are in the same row, then we have to take the rightmost letter of each letter. That's it. Next, if two letters are falling in the same column, then if this is the E, we have to take the beneath of this one. If this is C, we have to take beneath of this one. The same row means rightmost. If the same column means beneath that letters. So the two plain texts that fall in the same column are each replaced by the letter beneath, with the top element of the column circularly following the last. That means like this. Okay. All of you following?
Yes, sir.
Right. Last one. Each plain text letter is in pairs is replaced by the letter that lies in its own row and the column occupied by the other plain text letter. Now see, if they're not falling in the same row or same column, then what we have to do? Take the diagonally. So that is, suppose one letter is this one Another letter is this one. Okay, example. If there is a FA in the plain text, so F is here, A is here. So this is the row, this is the column. Okay. So first row, this is the one, and this is the one. So for F, we should consider O. For A, we should consider I or J. So diagonally. See here, these two are diagonal, right? So first consider row wise. So F is the row, our first letter is F, right? So F, take the column 1. Next A, take the this one. So which is touching with the this row. So we have to consider this diagonally. Clear? All the points. Same falling in the row, take the rightmost letter. Falling in the column, take the beneath the letter. If they are not falling, they are different rows or different columns, take diagonal elements. So once we see on example, it will be clear to you. All of you following? I'm going to explain now one example to get some clarity. Okay. One second, I will reopen this. Now see, we will take same key as monarchy and some letter. We'll see. Suppose plain text is Venkat, okay, and the secret key is same. What is written here is okay. Now we have to find the ciphertext. Now how? See, I know how to fill this table. First secret key, then the alphabets which is not repeated in the key, and I or J will be replaced by or filled in the same box. Now how to find a ciphertext? See carefully. First step here is make plain text as a pairs. So VE as a one pair, NK as a one pair, AT as a one pair. Now you may get doubt. What happens if it is having only VEN KA? So make first start from the left NK. So here this is only one letter. So add X, dummy letter. Getting my point? Please respond. Is it clear?
Sir.
First step is making pairs. If it is a last element is only one, add a dummy X. Now, once it is done, so one pair is VE. I will take another page. So here, so VE as a one pair, NK another pair, AT another, 3 pairs are there. Now we have to first see the VE. Where is the V? This is the V. Where is the E? This is the V. So are they in the same row or in column? No, they are in a different rows or different columns. Now what I told, we have to take the diagonal to these two. How? Suppose if I am starting from V, okay. So this is the V, this is the E, and this is this one, this is this one. Okay. So if I am going V, so it is touching U and E here. So can I write U here? And for E, this one and this one. So it will be F. And U and F are diagonal. Is this clear how to write this one? If they're not in the same row or same column, we have to take the diagonal element. So starting with V, so in this row, and this is touching with this column, and that is U. For this and this means F. Is this clear? Please tell me. Respond. Is this clear how to write? Now we have to write the
Yes, sir.
pairs only. Right. Similarly, next one, NK. Are they in the same row or columns? So N is here. This is the N. And next one is K. So K is here. So N. So N row, N column. Next to K. So this is the K column and K row. Now tell me N is here.
GR.
Which one? GR. Huh? G.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. What about AT? Next one. A and T. Again, these two figures are in a different column and different rows. A here, and this is the T. So A,
SR.
A means yes, R. So now what is the ciphertext? CT is the ciphertext. UFGR SR. Now see here, R is 2 times is there. SR no? For
Yes, sir.
K in the plain text R, for T in the plain text, ciphertext is R. But in the mono alphabetic ciphers, K R means we should replace it with only one letter in the plain text. But here multiple letters. That is the more advantage added in the Playfair cipher. This is the ciphertext for this one. Any questions?
Sir, what if they are in same column?
Yeah, that next example. Example 2. Suppose plain text is hello. Okay. So first step HELLO. So these are repeating, right? X. So one is HE, one is LX and LO. Is this clear? Writing. We'll check will this fall in the same column or not. HE, LX, LO. Okay, they're not falling in the. We'll go for the different secret key here. In example 2, I will use different key and how to write the matrix also we will check. So here key I'm choosing some network. Your wish, you can choose any secret key. So first I'm filling the table, see carefully. Two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, how I'm filling the key? See, so network. So first we have to fill the key. Net WORK. Nothing is repetitive right here. Then we have to fill the remaining letters. Start from A, B. Tell me if I'm doing any wrong. B, C, D. E is there. F, G, H, I or J. It will be in the same box. Next K. Should I write K?
No, sir.
So K should not be written because it is there. K, L, M, N. No, N is there. E there. L, M, N. Next one is O. O should not write. P, Q, R. R means R is there. S, T is there. U, V,
XYZ.
W is there, X, Y, Z. Clear, all of you?
Sir,
Yeah.
what if I and J are there in the key we choose, sir?
Suppose tell me one word which is having I.
India.
Okay, India. So remove I, write J. Okay. So whenever J comes, only we should write J. See, suppose in any case we got, we have to write this letter I or J. Suppose what we have done in the previous example, suppose example I'm taking. So I got a diagonal as this one, like this. So we can write OI as one word or OJ as another. So I can use I or I can use J. It will be more difficult to identify that. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
we can write I or we can write J also in these pairs.
Sir, in the word jumping,
Yeah.
if they both are in same word, I and J.
Oh, then it's very good. No, that we can eliminate. No problem. If in the same okay, in the key, suppose I was there, J is there. So this box, no problem. So GH, I or J in the same. I mean, I and J on the next to each other. No. So G, H is there. Suppose I and J. So this can be eliminated directly. We can write K here. Then L start from here. So once, see, the matrix should be written like that. No letter will be repeated which are there in the key. That's it. So if I is there, J is there, eliminate 2. Okay.
We only have 25 blocks, no, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, that's why whatever the word we are choosing, that depends on that. So we will take that example and we will verify which is having some India, suppose, and we will verify the matrix is now getting correct or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The example we will see. Maybe I have not done that, but okay, we will check. So that's it. Shall we go for this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll take that example, no problem. So first I am taking HE. So where is the H? In this row. E in this row or column. These two. Okay. So H. So diagonal. Can I write W here? Then F. So HE will become WF. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. LX. So where is the X? This is the X. This is the L. So L. So here and here. Or this one.
UP.
PU or UP? PU or UP? So first L is there. So I should write U. So UP. Next LO. Where is the L? This is the L. And this is the O. Okay. So L means this one. En here. So NS correct? Huh? Now here we should remember one point. If I'm considering the row value, suppose this is the L, this is the O here. So this is the one like this. So as I'm taking the L, suppose, should I go for the row side or should I go for the column side? That is important, no? Are you getting my point here? So tell me, should I go up or right? are down? Respond. Yes, respond. There. So always remember, go either up or down. So initially Lx was there. So L and this is X. So this is U and this is P. Similarly LO. So we should write N and S, correct? Okay. So this is the W, F, U, P and N is the ciphertext. All of you, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we'll take one more example. We make it in a different way. Then I'll give example to you. Now, suppose key is play fail. I'm taking as a which is having I. So all of you fill the table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So P, L, A, Y, F. A is repeated. So eliminate. Then I. Then R. Now what we have to do is this I, if I is coming, we should write J also. Okay? That we should remember. I should not write a sum again. When a J comes, I should not write the J. Is this point is clear? When I comes, yes, automatically J also will come in this box. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then A, B, C, D. So A is there, B, C, D, E, F. F should I write? F is there.
No, sir.
G, H, I is there now. Next, J should not write. K, L, L is there. M, N, O, P, P means is there. Q, R is there. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Should I write Y?
No, sir.
So play Y is there now, so directly gender. Okay. Next, that is the key. But what is the plain text? Our wish. We'll take hello only, no problem. So X. So HE LX LO. Okay. Now see, H and E are in the same row, right? These are in the same row. Following or not? All of you? H and E are in the same row. Now H, will start with the first letter H. H, right. So right most of the H is K. So K. Next, what about E? The rightmost letter of E is G. So K, G. Is this clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
If both are in the same row, starting with the first letter, for that letter, we should take the rightmost of that right of that letter. So K. Similarly, E means the next letter, right letter is G. So that's it. Similarly, next LX. L is here, X is here. So come down. So V. X means go up. Y. So VY. Similarly, LO. How? LO are in the same row. See here, this is the L, sorry, same column. This is the LO. This is the LO. So starting with the L, beneath this one, who is the beneath means R. O beneath means V. Is this clear? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the ciphertext KGVYRV. Now think we got FZ in the plain text. In the column, suppose in the same column FZ. So first letter is F. What is the beneath? D. For Z, there is no beneath. Go back. So F. Clear? Huh? Is this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if there is a D, right means go back, either R, I or J. So I hope all the points are clear. Same row, same column. So beneath in the same column, right in the same row. Now please take one more example. You have to do. I will give the key. Suppose key is secret is over, network is over, monarchy is over, play fair. Key is your name. Take it as your name, okay? All of you, because different. Maybe portion of your name, okay? Avinash, something is there, so take it as Avinash only, right? Your wish, whatever the name you want to take it. So key is your name, okay? Plain text is take it as meet me, okay? Now I want ciphertext. So complete and put it in the chat box.
Sir, what we should do about that space in between, sir?
Space, ikkada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that you can eliminate. Only letters we have to consider. So MEET, ME, no? So fill the table with your secret key name, then perform that operations and tell me what is your ciphertext. So meanwhile, I will take the attendance. Any questions? If you're having any doubt, please you can ask me.
So,
Yeah.
what if we get I and J as in the ciphertext? How do we represent it, sir?
Oh, I told you no. Acha, in ciphertext.
Yes, sir.
Yes, valid point. Like this.
Like in the last example you told, no, sir, by shifting it to the first, you'll get I and J.
That's okay. Suppose in the ciphertext you are getting, suppose some B and this IRJ. Okay? Is this what you're asking, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can write either BI or BJ. So that is in our hand. So I can write with respect to I or with respect to J. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any one you can take, either I or J. Yeah, 42. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 absent. Roll number 10. 12
Yes,
absent.
sir. Absent, sir.
Okay, 15 absent. 19, 20, 21, 23 absent. Six, 7, 8, 9, 30, 32 absent. Thirty-six, 37 absent. 39, 40 absent. 6.
Sir, 40 present, sir.
Ah, okay, ma. Have you?
Sorry for not changing.
Sir, 8 present, sir.
Yeah.
Change the numbers of 40.
No, I didn't get you. 40 present.
Sir,
40 present, Nana. Who is another fellow?
Sir, 8.
Roll number 8, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. You are present only.
Thank you, sir.
41, 42. 48, 49 absent. 50, 51 absent. 53 absent. 59 absent. 60.
Sir, 31 present, sir.
Yeah, 31 is okay. I'm calling 51.
Sir, 36.
Yeah.
Sir, roll number 3, sir. A2.
Yeah. I'm calling out option C. 10, 12, 15, 23, 32, 37, 49, 51, 53, 59. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 members option. Participant 61 is coming. Huh? Who is Kiran Santosh? What's your number? $32 present. Okay. 53%. Who is this Kiran Santosh? Narayan Revant. Babu, మీ numbers ఏంటి?
Sir, I'll change, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Number చెప్పండి.
37, sir.
37. Okay. Next one, Kiran Santosh. What's your number?
23, sir. 23.
Okay. Please edit. 6. Yeah, now correct. 62 means 61, 61. So 49 is there. 51, no. 59, no. 10 absent. 11 is there. 10, 11, 12 absent. Huh? 15 is there. Yeah, completed. How many?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please.
What if the plain text I want to convert is Jinx? Jinx.
1 minute. So you're saying that the ciphertext, huh?
No, sir, plain text. The text I want to convert is J, I, and X. What do you do about the J and I?
Okay, okay. So J, I,
NX.
NX. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the plain text you are talking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will take, suppose, okay. So J, I, N, X. So this is a single letter, right?
Yes, sir.
So if this is, I cannot make this is as a single pair. So this is a single letter means J, I, N. Suppose if it is a pair and XX will become another pair. So I and N, this is okay. For X and X, okay. So same letter is coming, so it will be X only. Suppose I or J, A, G, X. So I hope this will be like this, AGX. Because I and J is a single letter and N is another letter means, so this will become one pair. So I and J in this column, this is the next column. So diagonal means as I and J is coming as a one letter, so it will be A and this is the G, and the remaining letter we can write it as a X only. Okay.
But sir, then it will be problem when you're converting the ciphertext into plain text, right, sir?
Yeah. So that's why this may be somewhat more difficult to decrypt or attacking this type of coding. But anyway, I will check what happens to this type of word or letters. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for that question. Yeah. Any another questions? Okay, ma, everyone clear? All of you? So I'm repeating one more time the absentee numbers 10, 11, 12, 49, 51, 59. Okay. Yes. Whoever completed, you can leave. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. SN and DSN. 27, 65, roll number 4, 26. I'll inform who is not done. Okay, they have to do in the, convert and put it in the WhatsApp group.
Sir?
So whoever is not completed, they can put it in the WhatsApp group.
A small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Once if ME is there, and how should we take the intersection, sir?
Okay, yeah, correct. Yeah, some people may have doubt how to take the intersection. Can you tell me the letters again one more time?
Now, if in that MY is there, sir, then how to take, sir?
MY, yeah? Is it okay? Yeah, is it correct? My.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the M, this is the Y. Yes or no? The
Yes,
column.
sir.
So starting with M, go column wise. Okay? And Y as a row. Because these two intersect in this right C.
Yes, sir.
M only, starting with M. I cannot go row side. So column side. So C. Then Y, how these two, this M and Y will intersect. So M, Y going top. So
Yes, sir.
N. So to get a diagonal, so if there is a, suppose some letter, I or J, so this is the row side and this is the column side. Some fellow is there, some S is there. So always go, suppose this is the one, so don't go like a row side. Go opposite means column side. And this is the row side. Okay, the next letter will become as a row side.
So first column side and second letter will get row side. Sir.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. So whoever is not completed, put it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, after this no class, right? You can put it in our chat box only.
Yes.
21. Are you there? Roll number 21. Roll number 21.
Yes, sir.
What's the problem?
Sir, if I fill up my name and remove the extra letters, there is no place for Z in the box, sir.
Okay, okay. Maybe somewhere. Did you check all the possibilities?
Yes, sir.
What is the secret key you have chosen? Yeah, can you tell me key? Yes, what is the key? Okay, 21. Can you put it in the chat box? What is the key you have chosen? "21." Can you respond? "21." 21, are you there? Yeah. What was your key? Bhargav. Okay. So I'll check. Please see. Bharg. Bhargav means A comes, so V should end. Okay. Then A is there, B is there, C, D, E, F, G is there, H, I, R, J, then K, L, M, N, O.
H is already there, sir.
H unna? Okay. Thank you. So F, G is there, H is there. So I, R, J, then K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R is there, S, T, U, V is there, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, kada? Bhargav, please see. Anything I missed it? G, A 2 times BHA or GA, G, then CD. Is this correct? For Bhargav key? I got it. Okay, right. So, okay then, who has not done yet, you can put it in the WhatsApp group, okay? So, even if you have any no questions or not, if you are not comfortable with this matrix of filling, you can put a message in the WhatsApp group so that I can clarify the doubts. Okay then. Thank you for all.